Okay, this is the English speaking mock test at English Fantasy, and today I'm your examiner. My name is M. Diamond Islam Alif. So, sir, what is your name?
Sir, my full name is Mohammad Amanullah Tanzim, and you may address me as Aman.
Okay, so Aman, sir, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Borgona. It is located in Borishal Division.
Okay, so how is your hometown? Is it good or quite busy place?
Sir, my hometown is quite good, and it is a small town, and it has many natural beauties.
Okay, that sounds great. So, sir, what part of the day do you like most?
Sir, in the morning I like most because it is very quiet and calm, and our mind is fresh at this time. That's why I can study, and if I study in the morning, I can do my study better.
Okay, that's quite great. How do you usually spend your weekends?
So usually I travel in many places in my weekend. Like in Dhaka, there are many places to travel. In the last weekend, I go to Dhanmondi Lake for traveling.
Okay, so which place do you like most for traveling?
So usually I went to Kuokata sometimes because my hometown is Borgona and Kuokata is near to my hometown. That's why this is a sea beach also, and I relax then there.
Yeah, that sounds really great. How much do you often travel to any places?
So usually sometimes I travel in a year like 2 or 3 times because I studied at a school and I have 2 or 3 vacations.
Okay, so which place you went last time?
I went last time in Kuokata and with my family.
Okay, so sir, this is the end of our speaking test part 1. Now moving to speaking test part 2. Okay, so basically in part 2, I'll give you a keyword or topic. You have to speak about that topic within 2 minutes. Okay, so your topic is like you have to describe something which is related to your childhood memories. Okay, it could be like any kind of toy, any kind of gadgets you have used to by playing.
Yes sir, in my childhood I had a toy car, and this is a remote control car. I control it, and after controlling that I became so good, and that's why in my childhood I recharge it, and when it charge is low, I got bored and I refill the charge, and that's why I like it.
Okay, that's great. So sir, this is the end of your speaking test, and if I wanna give you some feedback, that time I wanna say that your speaking is quite good and your accent is also quite good. If you just try some special grammatical art, if you learn that grammatical art like lexical resource question, that time your speaking will be more fluent. Okay.
Yes.
And your sound is quite really good.
Thank you.
And there is nothing to say. If you have to try more and more, and you will get more than 7.5.
Okay, inshallah I will try.
Okay, sir, have a great day.